Good night, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you doing?
Not bad.
Okay. Huh? I didn't hear that. One second. One second. So you know you have a correction to the right.
Yes, sir.
Corrections if you do. So make sure you have corrections. So so you waited until today to do the assignment?
Sir, I didn't have any internet over the weekend.
Okay, okay, okay. I was there wondering if you guys you know, so make sure you have corrections. Yeah, so let's give the others some time to get on. So you waited until today to do the assignment? QA is
Sir, I
on.
didn't have any internet over the weekend.
Okay, okay, okay. I was there wondering if you guys I love you, Lord, for the mercies of faith. Yes, brother QA, how you doing, sir?
Doing okay, sir.
Okay, wonderful. All right, so we're gonna start class. Two of us are here. We're ready. We have people waiting on us. One second there. So how was your weekend? How was the weekend, folks? Nobody have a good weekend?
No, sir.
Oh my, I'm sorry to hear that. Maybe if you were doing the assignments, you'd have a one plus weekend. All right. Um, we're gonna start our class. Lexi's here, everybody's here, everybody's on. Well, not everybody yet, but we can start. We don't want to wait. Um, just saying good night to our yes, good night, Lexi. Good night to our faithful YouTubers. We're seeing 5 to 6 persons waiting to have fun. And of course, we'll be having fun today, QA, and have a special game for you tonight. You'll love the game tonight, trust me. But I want to spend the whole night on this game, though. You love the game. You love the game that we're coming up with. All right, and I'm going to allow you guys to participate in this lovely
Okay.
game. Yes, I love the game. But before we get into our fun part of the class, let us, of course, invite the presence of God in our setting. And I'm just saying good night. Welcome to our persons in Facebook, in our YouTube land. If you are new to CDPLABS Eduservices, we love when our persons in YouTube participate. We don't just want you to be watching because it's not TV. We want you to participate. We want you to. It's not you're not at the theater. So I want you to participate. Type your name in the chat. Tell us where you're from. I would like to know if you're doing maths exam this year. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed, we ask that you subscribe. And most importantly, share the link with someone who is doing exams this year. I know we are here to share, right? All right. So let us pray. Most kind and loving and heavenly Father, we take this opportunity to give you thanks, oh God, because without you, we would not be alive even now. So we're saying thank you, dear God. for sparing our lives, to live to see another Monday evening. Father, you have said that we should be anxious for nothing, and we should speak to you with all supplication, and of course, make our requests known to you. So once again, I come before you again tonight, dear Lord, making a request on behalf of students who are doing C.X.C exams this year, CDPLABS students, those who are viewing on YouTube, and all students across the region of the Caribbean who are preparing for this maths exam. Pray, Lord, that as they prepare their God, that you will increase their cognitive ability to reason, to be able to see patterns and to be able to identify rules that are, govern this pattern. Pray that their reasoning skills will be so built up that their grades for reason will be above a C. Pray that they'll be able to comprehend as they read these questions. Pray that they'll be able to understand, gather the knowledge, and be able to use it when the time comes. Pray to come to keep them safe and healthy. And may your name be glorified now. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right. One of my favorite Bible texts in the Bible, it says, "Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the way of sinners, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law doeth he meditate day and night. And he shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, that bringeth forth his fruit in his season." Good night, Gabriel. "That bringeth forth in his season. The ungodly are not so, but are like the chaff which the wind driveth away. Therefore, the ungodly shall not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. For the Lord knoweth the way of the righteous, but the way of the ungodly shall perish." And I just want you to meditate upon verse 1 that says, "Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly." So throughout our life, the rest of our lives, may we walk in the counsel of those who give us godly advice. That we need that in a time like now. And this is a popular song that many of us will love. And I just want to play it just shortly,
You're watching Tembalame Lockdown Sessions. Kindly share this link on your timeline so that others may be blessed as well.
Father, we thank you tonight because we see your goodness. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me. All my days have been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice, for you made me through the fire. In the darkest night, you are close like no other. I know you as a father, I know you as a friend. I have lived in the goodness of God. Hey! All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so the goodness of God. All my life, all my life. Oh, goodness is running out. It's running out to me. Your goodness is running out. It's running out to me. I surrender all. I give you everything. Yeah. Your goodness is running out. It's running out to me. Your goodness is running out. Your goodness is running.
You're watching Timbalame Lockdown Sessions. Kindly share this link.
All right, so we're gonna get into our game session, quick and fast. And I know you guys will definitely enjoy this one. I wonder, um, it's a game that you'll enjoy, and those persons in YouTube land can also, participate, and let's have some fun. So we won't be long in this. Just one level. Okay, Gabriel, thank you very much. All right, so this is just one level we're going to play tonight. Just one level, then we'll get into our lesson. And then, of course, tonight, what's up for tonight? We have exercise 3 to do for algebra. And of course, we have another set of multiple choice C.X.C past paper questions. And I'll be sharing the link in the Zoom chat. And I'll be sharing the link also in the YouTube chat. So if you know persons who are preparing for C.X.C Maths exam, share the link with them. Tell them to come on board and test their knowledge to find out where they are at. So let's get rumbling with this game. I hope you'll enjoy it. All right. Hold on. This is a bingo game. So if you tell me the answer and where should I, all right, you know what? Let's start the game over. Ready, Queen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's start it all right. Let's start the game. Hey, there's too many games here, young man. You don't even know. All right, I'm gonna give you access to it. All right. So Queen is going to be our person who's going to control this game here. Take it away, young man. It's all yours. And those in the YouTube chat can also help out. All right. Click on start, Queen. It's kind of slow. We're going to do one more. That is slow. This is kind of slow. Yeah, but that I'm faster rate. This is just the warming up, you know. All right, all right, all right, all right. So that was quick. All right. Go on faster. Go on faster. Faster. Division, go to division. No, division, and then go on faster. All right. So faster, faster. All right. Now, guys, you have to help him in this one because it's going to be not an easy road. All right. Click on start, sir. Let's go.
Nine. 3. Five.
All right. One final one now. Fastest. Fastest. Fastest, you know. Fastest. See there. Fastest. No, man, come down. Come down to fastest. Come down. All right. And I bet you any money that you're not gonna bring up on that one here. Click on start. All right. You can start.
Sir, this one is too fast. The timer run out too fast. See?
I saw.
This is not. I don't like this.
Game over. All right, so was that fun?
That's impossible. What? What is this? That makes no sense.
Is it? You think,
Wait.
you think
No,
that's
hold
impossible?
on. No, wait, hold on. Stop, sir.
Yes.
I think you need to allow Tangini and let you to try one of these. Because this not, I can't show me up alone. No. This is this is here.
Okay. One of these days, I'll gladly let them get a try and and get it done. All right. So we're gonna go straight into simplifying expression of combining like terms, but this time we're gonna look at the ones that are in brackets. So this one, number one right here, as you can see, it has on it a number on the outside, brackets right there, and so forth. But you should be able to do this, but just in case you're not able to do it, then I am just going to use a little thing to show you how to do so. So let me go back to our algebra tiles. And so we can make this thing understand. You can understand what to do. All right, we're gonna start off with simple examples, because from simple examples, you'll be able to get the principle coming out. That's exactly what we should be doing. So we're going to start off with some simple example. So we're going to start off with 2x plus 4. And you have to simplify an expression of this nature. 2 bracket x plus 4. Now, if you're using the algebra tiles, you're going to recognize that one of the green rectangles represents x. Now, how many green rectangles are you seeing right here? Just answer.
1.
1.
One, sir.
Okay, each of the yellow boxes represents 1 unit. How many of the, if I'm going to model what's in the bracket first, how many of the yellow rectangles do I need to have?
Sir, 4.
4. So I need 3 more. All right. So this is what is inside the bracket. Good. Now this 2 outside the bracket is telling me that I need 2 sets. 2 sets of what's inside the bracket. So I need another set of this, another set of these. Okay. So 2 sets of the same thing. That is exactly what it means right there. 2 bracket x plus 4. It is simply saying to us that we need 2 sets of the same thing. Good? And of course, this will be equal to 2 of the x's and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sense? Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Now, all right, so that was easy. That was very easy, wasn't it? All right, so what's the principle being? What's the shortcut method right here to arrive at 2x plus 8 without using the algebra tiles? Anybody want to tell me? Let's start with Tangini first.
Repeat.
I would like you to tell me what is the shortcut method to use to get 2x plus 8 without having to use the algebra tiles.
Sir, add 2 of both. I said, would it be
2
variable
of
or
them. Go
coefficient?
ahead, Tangini.
Sorry, and because you're multiplying 2 by what is in the bracket, you add 2 of both. We don't know explain. Would you say coefficient or
Well, no. Basically, what you said earlier, no, you said that you're multiplying everything in the bracket by 2, and that's really what you do, right?
oh,
That's really what the distributive property is saying. Is, for instance, that you have you're cooking food, right? You cook a pot of rice, and you cook some chickpea, and you cook some vegetable. Okay, Gabriel, very good. Gabriel said that we multiply what is directly outside the bracket by what is exactly inside the bracket. So that is how Gabriel explained the answer, right? He said you multiply exactly what's outside the bracket by what is exactly inside the bracket. All right, excellent, Gabriel. Nice response. Okay, now back to the cooking situation. So you're cooking a pot of rice, and you cook a pot of chickpea, curry chickpea, and of course you you prepare vegetable. Now you have 3 of you in front of me, and you're sharing the food equally. So I'm basically distributing my pot. I'm distributing rice in one plate, rice in the next plate, rice in the next plate. Then I'm taking out chickpea, put it in one plate, chickpea in one plate, in one plate. So whatever I'm doing for all 3 plates. So the same thing, you're distributing 2 to everything inside of the bracket. So the inside the bracket is like the plates, and the 2 would be like the pot of rice, the pot of chickpea, and the vegetable. So you just distribute them. That's why it's called the distributive property. Is that clear? Ashay Brown says whatever is done on one side should be done on the other. So you're gonna divide 8 by 2 and cancel the 2. No, Ashay, just come on, but thank you for your participation. What we're saying, we were simplifying the expression. We're simplifying the expression that says 2 bracket x plus 4 bracket equal to 2x plus 8. So we're not trying to find the value of x. Thank you very much, though, Ashay. All right, I know you just saw it. So All right. Okay. So let's put up another example on the board. But nice contribution, Ashay. Ashay Brown. We wonder if it's Ashay Martin. We have an Ashay Martin in our class. Is that Ashay? All right. So let us use another one now. Let's use another one. There's Ashley. Oh, you know her. You know her, Lexi. Lexi, you know her?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Good. Ashley Brown. Good evening, Miss Brown. Nice having you here. All right. So let's put up another example now. So we have three brackets 2x plus 5. Good evening, Nikosha. How you doing? You missed the fun part a
Good
while
evening,
ago.
sir. I'm fine.
Yes, good. You missed the fun part a while ago. All right, what is this answer equal to? But before you give me the answer, let us now model what is there. So one set is 2x. One set is 2x. Good. And 5 of these. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one set. But this 3 is telling us that we need 3 sets of what is in the bracket. And I want somebody to tell me, apart from just multiplying what's outside the bracket with what's inside the bracket, I want someone to tell me give me another way you could explain it, another way you could explain what to do. Anyone? Those from YouTube can also give their explanation as well. So we have 3 sets. Two, 3, 4, 5. All right. So here we are. 3 sets of the same thing that is in the bracket. Could somebody give me another way we could explain how we could arrive at the answer itself after simplifying that expression? Could someone tell me? Anyone? Either in YouTube or in you guys here in Zoom. Apart from telling me that you use a number on the outside to multiply the number on the inside. Apart from telling, there's another way you could explain it. Could somebody tell me another way you could explain it? Somebody explain that. Apart from saying you use a number exactly, like what Gabriel said, what's exactly outside the bracket multiplied what exactly inside the bracket. So could somebody explain, that part to me? Give it another way without using multiplication. Nobody? Or while you're thinking, you want to
Sir,
come? Yeah, go ahead, Lexi. Go ahead, Lexi. I'm listening. Go ahead.
no, we don't know that way.
Come again? Didn't hear that, Lexi. Go
Sir, we
ahead.
don't know that way.
You don't know? Well, okay. I just want you to look. If you look, you can tell me. Use your eyes and you'll see. Tell me what you see. Let's count.
So using the tiles, you could add everything.
Thank you very much, Tangini. We could just add them in a group. Exactly. We just add them in a group. Thank you very much, Tangini. So this tree will tell me how many times I'm going to add the same thing. Thank you very much. So we could add them in a group. Look at this. Thank you very much. So we could say 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5. Exactly. Add them. Very good. See, if you look, you will see. I told you that. Very good. Okay, I'm seeing Blessed Watson. Good evening, Blessed Watson. How are you doing, Blessed Watson? Yeah, we're doing a distributive property. Yeah, so we're distributing them. So they're actually being distributed. Yes, yes, ma'am. So 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. And of course, we're going to count the x's by themselves. So 2x plus 2x plus 2x. So count the x's by themselves. So we end up having 6 x's. And they will count the ones by themselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. So it's now simplified. So if you don't remember, this is why it's important to have a conceptual understanding of what you're doing. Because if you don't remember that you're supposed to multiply what is exactly outside the bracket, but you must know what it means. And in English, as I always tell you guys, when you're reading algebraic expression or any mathematical statement, read them in English, please. So in English, this is saying to us 3 groups of 2x plus 5. And you can see it exactly right here. 3 groups of 2x plus 5. Make sense? Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Those in YouTube, am I making sense? All right. So in English, what this means, 3 groups of 2x plus 5. That's what this means. All right? Okay. All right. Wonderful. All right. So let's give you guys, let's look at another one. Now, let's do number 1 quickly, please. Can you guys do number 1 for me? Do number 1, give me an answer in the chat, and then we'll discuss it together. Do number 1, and then you can give me the answer in the chat. And those who are on YouTube, you could also do number 1 and give us your answer in the chat. Okay, thank you, Gabriel, for responding to my question. All right, those on YouTube, put your answer in the chat. All right, I'm seeing somebody putting their answer in the chat here. Okay, I have an answer from Lexi. Anybody have a different answer yet? I have an answer from Lexi already. Let's wait on others to give me an answer. Lexi? It's blurry? All
Yes,
right.
sir.
All right. Persons who are seeing that it's blurry, let me see if I could expand it for you some more. Hope you can see it better. If it is still blurry, you have to turn your device like this, long way, and go full screen with your mouse. All right, so I'm seeing Young DK out. Young DK out is giving us an answer. All right. Blessed Watson, let me know if you're seeing it better now. Young DKO, give us an answer. 68p
Sir,
minus 54. Huh? Go ahead.
what were
Yes,
you
Alex. No, I say give me an
saying?
answer, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You're eating carrots. Tangini, my carrot friend. You have an answer, Tangini? But some of us not eating our carrots. Some of us not eating carrots. But let me save the answer. Okay, Nikosha, get the same answer. All right. Maybe I am not. Maybe I am the one not eating the carrot then. Let me see. And then that would be. All right. So it's all right. So young DK out the 68p minus 54. All right. So QA, all three of you so far have 68Q minus 72. You have something different, Tangini?
They're far from what?
Far from what they have?
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's me not understanding or what.
All right. All right. Take me to what I'm supposed to do. All right. Let's see if those persons in you still can't see it. All right. I think what you need to do, Blessed Watson, you need to just reload your device and see if you'll be able to see it better. All right. All right. Okay. All right. So let us continue. All right, Tangini, since you're the one not understanding quite, tell me what I should do. Take me through it, please.
Sir, 9
Mhm.
multiplied by 7Q
And 9 times 7
equals
is how much?
63
63. So we're gonna have 63Q. Okay, what next?
minus 7 times 9 is 63.
7 times 9 is how much?
63
Minus 63. Okay, good. And what's
plus
next? Plus
5Q
5Q. Okay.
minus 9.
Minus how much?
9.
Minus 9. Okay, what's next?
You're going to add like terms, which is 63 plus 5Q.
63Q plus 5Q. Good. So adding like terms, yes.
And then negative 63 minus 9.
Negative 63 minus 9. Good. Okay. All right. Next.
We're going to have 68Q
68Q. Yeah.
minus 72.
Minus 72. All right. See, you got it correct now. All right. So, young DK out. You are wrong. Next, better luck next time. All right. But nice try, young DKQ. Thank you for participating. That's nice. Hope you'll get the others correct. So everybody in the chat, in the Zoom chat, was absolutely correct. Wonderful. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. So it's still saying the same thing. 9 groups of 7Q minus 7. So you'd have added up the 7Q 9 times, and you still get the 63. You'd have the negative 7 9 times, and you still get the 63. Then you write down what this is because it's just what it is. Then just like how would pair the x's, you pair what is like, and then of course you would add what is like. And then let's say if you have you pair the constants, I'll call them because they're just numbers by themselves, just like what you did in minus 63 and a negative 9, and we got our answer. All right, let's move to number 2 quickly. Let's move to number 2 quickly. Do number 2 quickly, please. All right, everybody try this one. Okay, so young BKQ says 39x plus 57. Well, let's see if he's right. I hope young BKQ, are you male or female? Not sure. Young BK, oh, is it male or female? It would be nice to call you by your names. So I must ask the person to just tell us their names, where you're from, so we can know, to call. I can call you by your right name, and the right gender. Let's see what's in the Zoom chat.
Sir, I'm not finished.
Oh, you're not finished. Okay. Okay. All right. So Nikosha, we have an answer. Let's see. So Gabriel has, all right, so Nikosha and young DK out has the same answer. You and Nikosha have the same answer. Gabriel now has Gabriel. I think you'd want to redo that one, Gabriel. Right. So anybody's have an answer? I have Nikosha's answer.
I don't know what happened, but I try type and it not type.
No one type. Try again. All right. So Tangini, this is your final answer, Tangini?
Yes, sir.
All right. So so what about how you got 18x right there, Satangini? Oh, you're a male. Okay, young DK out. Okay, sir. You're from St. Vincent and the Grenadines? Okay. Welcome to CDPLABS Eduservices. What's your name, please? All right, so we have another guest from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. That's wonderful. All right, so Lexi has given her answer, 39x minus 57. All right. See, Queen has 39x plus 57. So, all right, let's see who's correct. So we see that our friend from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, he has What's your answer? 39x plus 57. So let's see who's correct. All right, let's see who's correct. Okay. Tangini, take me through the question
Sir, I'm
again.
going to make the correction.
Oh, you're making a correction? Okay. Good night, Giovanni Stevenson. Good night, Giovanni Stevenson. Where are you from, Giovanni? Okay, Gabriel got 39x plus 57. Okay, that's correct. I believe it's correct. It should be correct. Come, Tangini, correct yourself. All right, so we say 3 times 5 is 15x plus 3 times 3 is 9. And then 8 times 3 is 24. So 24x. And then 8 sixes. What is 8 sixes? Come students, talk to me. What is 8 sixes?
48.
48. Okay, very good. The old man is getting really old. It's 48. All right. So we're going to group the like terms as we were told earlier by Tangini. 24x. Tangini, stop eating the carrots. So 15x plus 24x. Oh, so Giovanni Stevenson's from St. Thomas. Okay, welcome, Giovanni. I guess, Lexi, you know that person too, right? Giovanni. 39x. And then 9 plus 48 is 57.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So that's 57. Okay, so those persons who got that correct, you were very good. Well, job well done, Gabriel. Job well done. Our dear friend from St. Vincent, young Leaky out. Well done, job well done. All right. All right, Giovanni, we wanted to participate. So we're gonna do number 3 next. After this segment of the class, in about next 11 minutes, we're gonna do the C.X.C multiple choice sets question. I hope you have on your thinking caps, so to see who will get the highest score tonight. Who will get the highest score tonight? I wonder if tonight will be a giveaway. If I get 100, if I say 100%, then somebody might get a giveaway. Let's see who get the giveaway tonight. Giveaway credit tonight. Gabriel, remember that night? Gabriel, remember HSB night? That's your giveaway. All right, so we have, so everybody try number 3 now. Try number 3. Let's get to number 3. Let's do number 3. We only give persons credit who participates in our classes in the YouTube chat. So if you participate in the YouTube chat, you'll get stand a chance of getting a prize.
Seriously.
Yeah, go ahead, QA.
I was just asking if I could step away from the computer for a second, please.
Yeah, man, not a problem. Nikosha, are you there? All right, everybody sort out number 3. Let's see who's gonna get number 3 right. Okay, so Giovanni. Well, we are not solving. We're not solving. All right, young DKQ gets minus 12 minus 18. Okay, that looks correct. But Giovanni, we're not trying to solve for F. We are simplifying the expressions. We're simplifying the expressions. No, Gabriel. Try again. Try again, Gabriel. All right, let's see the answers coming out in the Zoom chat. All right, so Lexi has negative 2F minus 18. Same answer as our friend from St. Vincent. Young DK out. Okay. All right. Okay, good, blessed Watson. You seem much better now. Excellent. Thanks to Gabriel for taking charge of the YouTube chat. Thank you very much. All right. Waiting for Nikosha. You have an answer, Nikosha. Tangini. I'm seeing Lexi answer. And that looks like it's correct. Nikosha, waiting for you guys to give me an answer. Ashe wasn't able to make it tonight because she's not feeling well. I don't know what's up with Tarsha, so I have to check it out. Check to see what's wrong with Tarsha, because we're not seeing Tarsha. I don't know if the internet in St. Hans is doing better. Maybe Tarsha is watching from YouTube. All right. Anybody have an answer, please? Okay, Nikosha. Nikosha, don't know where that come from, you know. Nikosha, you need a carrot. You need a carrot, Nikosha. You need a carrot. Because the principles hasn't changed. All right, so we have Lexi, Nikosha, Tangini. What about your answer? All right, so we're gonna go to our next. All right, so Tangini, how you get 91, 81, Tangini? Is that a mistake you make? No, Nikosha. No. That's why all right, let's see. Let us see. So we are seeing Gabriel having 2f minus negative 2f minus 18. So most persons have negative 2f minus 18. So let's see what the answer really is then. So we're going to rewrite. So we're going to have our negative f. No, there's no number outside of the brackets. So evidently, we will still have to just write it as it is. So move the brackets. The plus sign is there. Negative f minus 9. So we're going to group like terms. Principle still remains the same. So negative f, negative 9, negative 9. So there are two negative f's and there are two negative 9s, which is negative 18. So those persons who got that answer, give yourself a clap. So I want to see persons in the YouTube give themselves a clap. Those persons who got the answers correct, give yourself a clap in the YouTube chat, please. Give yourself a clap in the YouTube chat for those persons who got it correct. All right, so we're going to move on from here, gentle people. Very good. Very good. So do you want to do number 4, and then we move on from here? The principle does not change. And by the way, before we go to number 4, I just want to show you. Okay, Blessed Watson, your answer is also correct, Blessed Watson. Very good job, Blessed Watson. Give yourself, guys, give yourself a clap now. Why not giving yourself a clap? Come on, giving us deserve a clap. All right, so we're going to go to back to the algebra tile, just to let persons get a good understanding of why number 3 is what it is. All right, so let's see if we can get a good understanding. So we had negative f. All right, so we're not going to use the letter f this time. We'll use a different one. So we're going to use these negative x. So it was brackets, negative x, negative 9. That was it, right? Was that it? Negative x.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Negative 9, bracket. So we have some negative x over here. And how many of these we need? Only 1. So we are modeling what's inside the brackets. Negative 1s. So we need 9 of these. We need 9 of these here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's let that. Kind of that can stay. So we're going to come down. Then we go here. So that's 8. Come down to that's 9. So we need another negative x again. And then we need another set of negative 1s, 9 of them. So 4, and bam. So now we have two groups. We have two groups of 36. 36. You got 36 wrong. You got 36 wrong. All right. So what we have right here is two pairs of negative x. So of course, we have two of them. So it's two negative x's. Good. Then we have that we count up now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, okay, I see it now, Kiri. So negative 18. So see, that's it. So we model what's there, we group the x's, and then we group the negative ones. All right? That is what we do to get our answer. All right. Okay. So Nicotian company, everybody understand that now? I guess you made a simple mistake. I'm going to assume that's what took place. All right, persons wants to do number 4. I see that persons are bubbling, wanting to do number 4. All right. Those on the inside in Zoom chat, could you do number 4 for me, please? All right, persons wants to do number 4. So let's see what number 4 is equal to. All right, so we see Gabrielle is saying that number 4 is, so we have the answer already. Lexi, 13x plus 9. All right, so number 4 answer. Oh, good night. That name is Ajarni Wilson. Did I pronounce the name correct? Ajarni Wilson, good night. Did I pronounce the name correct, Ajarni? Ajarni Wilson, good night. Let me know if I pronounce the name correct, sir. Or Ajarni Wilson. That's a nice first name. All right, so let's see if Lexi and those persons in YouTube land was correct. All right, so we have 4x plus 7, the same conversation, in brackets. You could still type your answers before I'm finished. Plus, and students, you have to be very careful. You cannot go into the exam and make these kind of mistakes, okay? All right, so, all right, Tangine is showing our working. Okay, lovely. So we group 4x and 9x together, then plus 7, then plus 2. All right, you want to wrap it up, Tangini? I pronounced it properly. Okay, Ajani, I pronounced it properly. Thank you. Thank you. Where are you from, Ajani? Where are you from? All right, so it's 4x plus 9x. So the answer then is equal to 13x plus 9. Excellent. Very good job to all of you who got 13x plus 9. Well done. Great job. Great job to all of you. Great job to Young DK out. Great job to Giovanni Stevenson. Great job to Gabriel. Great job. All right. And great job, Blessed Watson. Very good job as well. All right. Ajani, where are you from? Which country are you from? All right. So we're going to move on now. So it's now 1 minute past 9. So basically, you get the principle of removing the brackets in terms of using the distributive property. So we are going to move on. There are several other questions we could have done, but the principle is what we want to do to get tonight. What I want to do to get tonight, and you got the principle right. So we're going to move on to a multiple choice segment of the class. All right, so John is from St. Thomas, Jamaica. Okay, welcome, Johnny. Welcome to CDPLABS Eduservices. Hope you're having a good night as well. Well, let's see who's going to get the credit tonight. The credit tonight for... Tonight is a credit night. Tonight is a credit night. Let's see who's going to get the answer, the highest score for the multiple choice. Let's go. And those here, you're eligible as well. Those in Zoom, you're eligible. Nikosha, remember your credit, Nikosha? Nikosha? Nikosha not hearing me? All right, so we're gonna go straight to a multiple choice segment tonight. So we're looking at sets multiple choice questions. That's where we're going for tonight. The multiple choice segment for tonight. And we're on sets. I expect Lexi to sort this one out. Right, Lexi? So Lexi, it's your time to win a credit to know. I believe it's your time to win a credit, Lexi. You to win a credit tonight. All right, so we're going to put the chat, the link in our YouTube chat. All right. Okay, so let us go to our YouTube chat. So I'm going to put the link now in our Zoom chat, so those in Zoom can start the ball rolling. Lexi, I'm sorry I gave everybody a kickstart over you guys. All right, there you go. Now, here are the instructions. I know you need the instructions, so just listen up to the instructions, please. I'm going to give you the instructions now. Okay, so here are the instructions. Now, here are the instructions. This is the instruction. You're going to type your answer using a capital letter. So you're going to type your answer using a capital letter. Good. You're going to type your answer using a capital letter. So let's say the answer was C. If the answer was C, you type capital C, and then when you're finished, you scroll down to the word finish and click on finish. Then you click on email my answers to the teacher. You're going to put in your name. Let's say, for example, Johnny Wilson. Now, you know what? I don't want to mix it up, Johnny, so I'm not going to use your name. Sorry, Johnny. So Ronnie Bernard. So you put your full name right there. And then you're going to type the grade level. You could put grade 11. The subject is maths. And the email address that you should use is cdpmathlab@hotmail.com. So and then you click on send. And then, of course, I will definitely get the result. Now, I just use the wrong answer. So don't look at my 0 right there. I just use the wrong answer. And I'll get a notification. And I don't think I have any notification just yet, except for myself. All right, so let's see who's going to get the credit tonight. It has to be 10 out of 10 to get that credit tonight. Has to be 10 out of 10 to get the credit tonight. Credit night, it is credit night, it is credit night. It is credit night. Wow. Wow. Let's see who's going to get the credit tonight. You know, I think I should play a bit of music for you guys while you're trying to get the credit tonight. I love you, Lord, for the mercies that fail.
the darkest night, you are close like no other. I know you as a father, I know you as a friend. I have in the goodness of God. Hey! All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. Hey! With every breath that I am, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life,
It is credit night. Hope you guys have clicked. If you are just coming on to CDPLABS Eduservices maths class live stream, we are we have given out. I've given out the work. It's a multiple choice paper one based question based on sets 2016 and 17. Now to get access to that paper, you want to click on the link that is pinned in your YouTube chat. And then, of course, you're going to use capital letters to type in the correct answer in the space provided. And then when you're finished, you click on the word finish. Then you click on email my answers to my teacher. When you get to that path, you want to put in your full name. Then you're going to put in the grade level, whether it's grade 11. Then you're going to put in the school subject, which is maths. And then the email address is cdpmathlab@hotmail.com. I'm going to type the email address for you guys. Okay, that's the email address. I wonder if anybody finished it. 8 questions. Wow, seems like something coming now, isn't it? Oh, not yet. Okay, so no results in as yet. So we're waiting, waiting. So we're waiting, and keep waiting. And while you are busy doing your test, I don't know if you're hearing me, but for those who can hear me now, we'll be having a maths class on Thursday night. However, we will not be streaming live, but there is a one day pass for at least 4 to 5 visitors. You can join our Zoom class, but you have to go to the website to get the tickets. The ticket is free. We are not selling those tickets. It's a free ticket, and you go to the website and you get your ticket for the Thursday's class. So you go to the website for you to get your ticket to join the Zoom Thursday's class. Ensure it doesn't sold. It doesn't finish on you. There are 4 or 5 free tickets, and you go. Early bird tickets are there to get. So you go and get your early bird tickets if you want to join our Zoom class on Thursday night. We'll be looking at measurements on Thursday night. We'll be going to measurements. We have started measurement, We have been having some fun last week, Thursday night, and the fun will be even greater. God's willing. Yes, Q, and I have it all planned. I have it all planned. So tonight is credit night. Tonight is credit night. Don't know. And on Wednesday, we'll be having our live stream human and social biology class. So try and share the link with your friends and your family. Will be doing HSB exam. And I'd like to say thank you to you guys who are on Zoom. You have made this class a fun class and very interested class. And thank you for sharing the link with your friends as well, Lexi and company. All right. Should be seeing some results coming in now. See if the results is in. It seems like the election. No results in yet. I can't believe it. What's going on? At this time of the year, exams are around the corner. You could rely on your what your teacher have taught you. Teacher must have taught you something, you know, and try your best, try your best. If you're not scoring a 10 out of 10, you cannot get the credit tonight, but you must score 10 out of 10 to get your credit tonight. But tonight is giveaway night. Giveaway night. Ensure to put your correct name so I can know who that person is. 10 out of 10. Yes, we're up with stakes now. Alexi, not finish it? What's that walk through this, Alexi?
No, sir, I'm not finished.
Okay. Enjoying it though. Let's see if any of your friends out in YouTube will give you a proper beating. We had fun last week when did social studies. It was a hot competition. Remember Nikosha? Hot competition was out there. Competition was very, very big out there. Let's see who will win tonight. I think we could have a competition with the YouTubers versus those in Zoom. We should have a competition of that nature. Yes, we should. And remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to the CDPLABS Eduservices channel. Yes, Javon? Yes, Javon, go ahead. Giovanni, you can go ahead. I'm waiting to see what you're saying. Giovanni is saying, sir. Giovanni, I'm here. Go ahead. Yes, Giovanni, you may speak.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead, Tangini.
I don't pass the test, so don't crucify me.
You don't pass the test?
No, sir, I don't.
Well, I believe the reason for that is that because you don't reset as yet. So that's why it just, oh my gosh, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe my eyes. All right, Nikosha, nice try. Thank you, at least you attempted. Nice try, Nikosha. Tangini, at least you attempted. Or the email, okay. It is CDP Maths Lab. CDP Maths Lab, hot mail, hotmail.com. CDP Maths Lab, hotmail.com. CDP Maths Lab, hotmail.com. The email address is cdpmatslab@hotmail.com. So we have 2 results in so far. Let's see if there's any more results coming in. Gabriel, no, Gabriel, you have missed it tonight, Gabriel. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I'm gonna show you how to do it, but of course, the Nicosia has the highest score so far. Waiting for Lexi. I know that Lexi and QA might have a red carpet result. I am looking for that. But nice try, Tangini. Now that you have gone to the consumer. Yes, QA?
I do not want you jinxing me.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Please, because you're gonna say that, and then I might as well just come out with not a not so good looking grade set.
Sir, just
sorry,
be
sir.
open-minded, okay?
Okay, Lexi.
Very funny.
Okay, Lexi. I'm open-minded.
Open-minded.
Lexi knows the one in. The one in. Let us see.
No, sir.
Huh? God, Alexi.
My
Well,
God, Lexi.
the highest score so far is 5 out of 10, and that's good. I mean, based on what is going on, that's the highest score so far. We want to see who's going to win this prize tonight. Got to see this one. Got to see this one. But we're going to go through the. We're going to go through the.
Question, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, QA.
If the highest score is not the 10 out of 10, will the person still get the giveaway?
Well, the person cannot get less than 8 to get the giveaway for sure.
So even if they score like 7 above the rest, they're still not going to get anything.
No, it has to be 8 or 10.
Oh, that's a shame.
The email not working? What's the email not working? Javon, check what you type. It's supposed to be CDP Maths Lab. Gabriel, could you help out Javon, please? Hotmail.com. It is CDP Maths Lab, hotmail.com. Maths Lab, hotmail.com. CDP Maths Lab, hotmail.com. Try it again, Giovanni. I think Giovanni probably get that 10 out of 10, you know. When you see Giovanni knocking on the door, it seems to me he has got that 10 out of 10. Well, let us see. So we have one from the YouTube, which is Gabriel. At least you tried, Gabriel, you tried. And Tangini got the same score. And the highest so far is Nicosia. Let's see. I'm still waiting. Still waiting. Still giving some persons a chance. Tonight is the credit night. Tonight is our credit night. Tonight is our credit night.
Sir, I don't know if I get that, because
Lexi?
Sir, why
Yes.
is you such a hard paper when most of us have not gone through the paper yet?
Well, to teach you our lesson. What do you think?
Also, you know that we weren't going to win. You knew that we could never win this one.
Well,
That's
no.
Okay, so
Hold on.
That's right. Okay, I understand.
Hold on there. Remember now, I did say earlier the person who I expect to deal with this one.
Sir,
yes,
sir, whether the person do it or not, number 2 just look off. I'm not gonna lie.
Number
But
2.
you, me not understanding.
Well,
number two look weird. Whenever I recognize them symbols there, sir.
Well, we are going to go through the paper. We're just waiting to get some more results to come in.
Sir, but I don't want. I'm gonna give my result. I'm gonna put something sensible for number 2, sir. Can you want mark the paper without knowing that nobody not get number 2? If somebody get
number 2, easy man. I mean, you could guess it. Come on. If you're on the verge of getting at 8 out of 10, I mean, you could guess it,
But it never feel the same. It never feel the same guessing it.
Sister, I don't know.
Well, wait, Giovanni, submit it, Giovanni. Please submit the work, Giovanni. You have done well. Giovanni have done well. Giovanni, for your first time.
Did Giovanni win?
Lexi, I cannot believe my eyes, Lexi. Are you serious, Lexi?
All right, you know what? I'm just gonna guess number 2 and submit mine. I think I'm the only one holding up
Lexi. No, Lexi, you want that beaten. Lexi. Well, Giovanni, don't feel so bad. You number 2 makes no sense. A lot of persons are saying that number 2 don't make no sense. What's going on here? Well, stay tuned to CDPLABS Eduservices. You're going to learn what number 2 means. So the next time you see this in a multiple choice in the C.X.C exam, you will not get upset. So we have Lexi, we have Giovanni, we have Gabrielle, we have, I think Tangini gave her answer, Nikosha. So we have 3 persons with 5. Giovanni with 5, Nikosha with 5, and we are seeing Simonique Watson with 5. So a lot of 5s coming out here. What's going on? Is today the 5 day? Well, I don't gamble, so I guess I would not win 5. Today is a 5 day. I can't believe it. Today is a 5 day. All right, so we got Watson, Blessed Watson.
Sorry, you put the email address in the chat because I'm not seeing it.
Oh, okay. The email address. I'll put emails in the chat for you, sir. Email address is CDP CDPMathsLab at mail.com. Yeah, CDPMathsLab at mail.com. CDPMathsLab at mail.com.
All right. There was nothing.
Let us see. All right. So Giovanni says, sir, I choose the wrong answer because I was moving too fast. Number 2 is A. Okay, Giovanni. Sir, that made it for put. Okay, Giovanni. We'll see. If number 2 is A. We'll see. All right. So we're waiting on the boss. Queuing, like seriously. Today's a 5 day. I can't believe it.
Oh my God. No, man.
Today is a 5 day. No.
I guess you're not win that bet, sir.
Oh, me?
Yeah, man. I can't. No, man.
All right. So today is a 5 day. It apparently Wow!
What?
Wow! 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 Wow!
What?
We have got a winner tonight. We have got a
Alex,
winner
you can do it
tonight.
so bad.
Wait, she did it over? That don't make no sense. No,
Do it so
no,
bad.
you can't do that, sir.
Why
Well,
not?
Sir,
Why not? You have
sir,
to try.
sir.
You have
No,
to
no, no, no,
try.
don't tell me
all
that.
right. Hold on. Hold
I
Don't
on.
mean,
tell me
me,
that.
me tell
All right.
you,
Hold
me
on.
have
All
some
right.
mixed up. I'm never sure about them.
All right.
So go
Sir.
back,
All
go
right.
back.
All right.
Okay.
Let's hear it from those guys in YouTube. Those guys in YouTube. Should we let Lexi get the prize or not?
Everybody,
No,
please
Coach,
say
you can do
no.
it so
Hold
Everybody,
on,
bad.
hold
please
on,
say
hold
no.
on, hold on. We want to hear from those in YouTube. Should we let Lexi get the prize or not? Lexi did it a second time and got 8.8. Now, should we give Lexi the prize or should we not give Lexi the prize? I'm hearing the votes coming in from, well, Tangini said big cheat, capital cheat. I'm sorry. All right. Lexi said, Lexi, these people are saying, we want to hear what the rest are saying in YouTube. Should we let Lexi get the prize because she went and tried again a second time? Or should we not give her the prize? We will see what those in YouTube say. Lexi, it's all depending on those in YouTube. Well, this is an interesting night, isn't it? All right. So our highest score is 8.8. Almost. Almost. Well, Lexi. Lexi, you're not funny. Lexi, you're not funny. All right. All right. Okay. All right. I'm seeing some rules saying here that Blessed Watson, I guess that's Simonique. Simonique is saying that no, sir, then all of us would need a second chance. That's Simonique. And then Gabriel says, sir, I think so, but it would be unfair because you did it twice. All right. Well, it's gone to the rules now. Okay. Lexi, the people them say no. All right. So democratically, they have voted you out. Impossible. Okay. And, imagine Lexi easy, Lexi jump into the YouTube chat but try to get votes.
Lexi did what?
Try to get votes. All right.
So you see the cheat mark all over that,
All right.
sir.
All right. All right. So, all right. Let's go through the multiple choice. These are possible questions coming straight from the C.X.C. January 2016, 2017. All right. So let's go. The first question says, if P is equal to 2, 3, 5, and 7. So those are the sets of elements in between the braces. Just to give you a better education now, the braces mean the set of. The numbers between the braces are called elements. They are the elements of the set. Now, when they ask you to describe a set, you can list the elements by ensuring you put a comma between each element. So when you can describe a set in two to three ways. One, you can do it in words. So these are a set of prime numbers less than 8. So this is a set of prime numbers less than 8. Good. Then, secondly, you can describe it by listing the elements like that. And the third one, we'll discuss it in number 2. Let's go. So set Q is equal to 2, 3, and 6, and set S is equal to 2, 4, and 5. Then P dash Q dash S. Now this symbol means, can somebody tell me what that symbol means? What does that symbol mean? Anyone? Those in YouTube, those in Zoom. What does the symbol mean? What does the symbol mean? Now, while you're thinking about it, that symbol means, it's called intersection set. Intersection of sets symbol means intersect. Now, what intersect means is that these three sets share something common. So it's just like if you're finding the highest common factor of a few numbers. Now, I'm not saying that's what you're doing now, but I'm saying it is like you're doing that. So you have what is common to P and Q. So we look at P and Q. 2, 3 is in P and Q, but not in S. So therefore, you cannot choose B. B will be out of it. What is it? What is common in Q and S? Well, only 2. But we need to choose what is common to all 3. And what is common to all 3 is just 2 alone. So we choose. So the correct answer is, of course, A. Everybody understands that? Everybody understand that? Is there any questions? Everybody understand? Yes or no? Talk or forever hold your peace? Everybody understand? I'm sure Alexia understands. And I know that Giovanni understands, because Giovanni said that he would have put the letter A for his answer. All right, let's go to number 2, the big one, the one that everybody is crying about and bawling about. All right.
Yes,
now,
indeed.
Yes, indeed. All right. So let us look at number 2. I will take out my pen. Now, first we have to examine the symbols, student, the symbols. Now, this symbol means member of. It means what? Member of. Member of. Lex, my feet say guess number 2. You guess number 2, Lexi?
No, sir. When I look on the signs, them, I thought it would be the seeing that tree, the tree in there.
Okay, okay. All right. So that symbol means member of. Now the Z represents the Z represents the set of integers.
Wait.
Now, the other symbol means, so you have to first identify what the symbols means. This one now means such that. Such that. All right. So far, the statement, again, we're talking about reading the statements in what? What do I encourage you to read the statements in?
English.
In English. Good. So far, the saying, the element X is a member of the set of integers such that. So it is saying, this is a statement now, an inequality statement, and then now we have to also identify what the inequality statements mean. Now this one means, now watch me now, this, the elbow always points to what is less, and the part that is open always points to what is greater. So it is saying that this symbol is saying less than or equal to, less than, no, greater than rather, So x is greater than or equal to. So depends on how you read it. So it also means greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. All right. So now, and the last symbol means less than, depending on how you read it. That's why it's important to learn to read the mathematics statements properly. All right, so let's read it now. So the element x is greater than, the element x, is a member of the set of integers such that x is greater than or equal to -1, but less than 3. So if it's less than 3, then of course 3 would not be in the set. If it's equal to -1, then -1 will be in the set. So therefore, this is saying -1, x can be -1, x can be 0, x can be 1, x can be 2. That's exactly what it's saying. Nobody cannot get number 8. All right. Well, let's see if nobody can. You know why nobody can get number 8? Well, young DK out. The reason why no one could have gotten number 8 because they weren't paying attention. You were to scroll down and you'd have seen the option D. And guess what? Option D was the answer. Okay. All right. Let's proceed. So number 3 now. Number 3. We're going to number 3 now. If the universal set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and H is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, then now this little symbol to the corner here, I don't know if you could have seen it, it means complement of a set. It means complement of a set. Complement of a set. Which means does not belong to. So it is asking the question, what are the elements that does not belong to the set H? So you look, well, 1 does not belong to set H, 2 does not belong to set H, 5 does not belong to set H. The answer is D. That's correct. All right. Oh, guess what? We have a winner. We have a winner. Young DK said you'd have gotten all the answers correct. Just permit me to look at young DKQ if he has. But you never submitted. You should submit it, young DKQ. You did not submit it. You have to submit it, sir. You have to submit it. You have to submit it. Young DKQ, you have to submit your working. All right, so we're going back now to here, number 3. So once again, you have to identify the symbol, right? Oh, good night, Stacy. It's been a while, Stacy, since we have seen you, Stacy. Well, you must, first of all, when you're doing questions like these, you must identify what the symbol means. Must identify what the symbol means. All right? Must identify that. All right? Must identify what the symbol means. All right. Now, let us continue from here. Number 4. This one I think was a bit probably tricky. It says all students in a class play Scrabble or checkers or both. If 36% of the students play Scrabble only, and 48% of the students play checkers only, what percentage of students play both games? Now, this is how I would have done it. And I always tell you guys to draw. So I'll draw a Venn diagram. And the fact that they say both, it means that both circles would have intersect. Now, the only, and let's label them. We're going to label this one S. And we're going to label this one C for checkers. And then we're going to label, now it says only, 30% students play only checkers. So we're going to put our 36 here. Sorry, only Scrabble, that is. And then only checkers with 48 right here. Good. Then we're supposed to find X. See? So this now would have given you an idea what to do in terms of calculation. Now, if all the students in a class play, now the union of both sets would naturally be equal to 100%, right? So 36 plus X plus 48 is equal to 100%. So 36 plus 48 is how much? And somebody tell me what 36 plus 48 equal to? Hello, what is 84 plus X equal 100? So the question here is, what number when added to X is equal to 100? Well, that's an obvious 16, right? So to get the 16, obviously, I would have to minus 84 from 100. All right, thank you, Javon. And that therefore would be what? X equal to 16. Very good, Lexi. Job well done. Okay. All right. All right, so we're going to move on now to number 5. Boy, Alexa, them vote you out to them, boy. Vote you out to them, vote you out. All right, number 5. If X and Y are two finite sets such that, and hold on, before we go any further, again, symbols, want to buck up into symbols, you need to know what they mean, to know what the symbols mean, but these symbols have meaning. Now, when you see this symbol here, it is telling you that the total number of elements in the set. So in this case, the total number of elements in set X is 9. Is 9. Then N, this means intersect again, that there are 4 elements that are common to both set X and set Y. There are 4 elements that is common to both set X and set Y. That's what that means. Then this means You have to look the symbol. This symbol right here means what? Union of. You know, let me just put some things here. So this set means what? Intersect. The first thing when you're doing the questions, you must remind yourself of the meaning. Intersect. Good. And then the other symbol means union of sets. QN, are you there? Nikosha, are you there? Tangine, Lexi, are you guys hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So this means that when you put the elements and X and Y together, you'll get 15, union. Now they want us to find now the total number of elements in Y. Again, I will draw a Venn diagram to make it easier for me to arrive at the answer. So I draw a Venn diagram again. So that says that there's an intersection. So obviously, the two other sets, the circles that they normally use traditionally, will be looping over each other. All right. Now, we are going to label. Now, it's very important to put up your U right there, which means universal set. And then we're going to label this. Let's call this one X. Let's call this one Y. I wonder what Lex would put right here. We're going to put the 4 right here because this means both. And then obviously only will be 9. I'm going to put 9 minus 4 right there. But you want to know this area of the set means only. It means what? Only. Good. And then I'm going to put the union now of both sets is 15. Union of both sets is what? 15. Now, they did not tell us what is Y only. So, therefore, this means that I'm going to put an, let's call it plus A. Come on, A. Let's call it A. And I put a plus A because Y would be 4 plus A. So let us now use this now to determine our answer. Now, I hope you guys seen a technique that I'm using. Even though they did not ask to draw a Venn diagram, even though they did not tell you to draw a Venn diagram, young DK Otis, first time I want your students to get a chance to win the prize. Okay, you're kind of you, sir. Okay. You know, we have a very kind friend from St. Vincent and Grenadines. Okay, young DK Q, you're very kind. Very kind. All right. He said he did not want to submit his test because he wanted one of you guys to get a prize. Young DKQ, we could have sent the prize to you to send in your cell number from St. Vincent once you have a Digicel or Lime phone in St. Vincent. So if you next time you can try. But thank you for your kindness. All right. Now, so it says that the union of X and Y is 15. So that means we're going to add everything that we're looking at there. So 9 minus 4 plus 4 plus A is equal to 15. So 9 minus 4 is 5 plus 4 plus A is equal to 15. So 9 plus A is equal to 15. So the answer is then, what number when plus 9, what number when plus 9 will give me 15. Then, of course, A would be equal to 15 minus 6. And the answer is, sorry, 15 minus 9, rather. And the answer is A is equal to 6. Wow, the answer is B. Very good. All right. So, of course, you guys can watch over this video. You can watch over the video and go back through the steps and so forth. But as I said before, there was a lesson that I was teaching this class. All right. Yeah, you don't have the whole time, students. Even though we have 3 months before exams, you still need to try to get to your assignments. So we have 3 last questions to do now. Now, set number 6 now. Item number 6. Now, in the C.X.C paper itself, you will not see item number 6. You probably see item number 14 or something like that. But because I don't want to get you confused, I just put the number 6 there. All right. So item number 6 refers to the following Venn diagram. Now, when you get a Venn diagram, okay, Jovan, see your answer. Now, when you get a Venn diagram in an exam, you have to what's the word now? Analyze the Venn diagram first. You have to analyze the Venn diagram. You have to analyze it. See what it means. Now, we are seeing 2 sets. Set P and set Q, and they share something in common. But the part that is shaded is outside of P, Q only, and the part that is not shaded is all of P. So what is in Q only is not in P, and outside of that is also not in P. So obviously P must be P complement because it does not belong. So the area that is shaded does not belong to set P. Hence, it is a complement. So you have to analyze the picture first before you can get the right answer. All right. Number 7, second to last question. Of a class of 32 students, 17 study music and 20 study art, what is the least possible number of sets? Sorry, what is the least possible number of students who study Okay. I'm not understanding what you're saying there, Giovanni. Sir, I can get 6, sir. I don't understand what you're saying. Unless you're telling me that you went back and got the answer 6. All right. I don't understand what you're saying, Giovanni. Just let me know what you mean. I don't understand what you mean. All right. So, of a class of 32 students, 17 study music and 20 study art, what is the least possible number of students who study both music and art? Now, again, you could draw your Venn diagram. And well, there's a shorter method you could use, but I just wanted to show that drawing the Venn diagrams is very beneficial. And that's why I spend a lot of time on Venn diagrams in the video. So you must ensure that you do your lessons, students. No joke around thing. You got to get business going up. You got to do your work, because I cannot delay the multiple choice questions for too long. So the next round of multiple choice. Oh, yes, P is the answer is P complement. Javon, the answer is P complement, which means that the area that's shaded does not belong to P. So therefore, if it does not belong to P, it would be P complement. So the little dash beside it would have been the answer. All right? The dash beside it means complement of, which means does not belong to. Let me know if you understand what I just said, Javon. All right. No. So we're going to put this one for M, for music, and this one for art, for A. Now, they said they want to find X. They wanted to find X. We just common X for that. But they said 17 study music, not 17 only, but 17 study music. So obviously, I'm going to put 17 minus X right here. And then I'm going to put 20 minus X right here. And then I'm going to add up everything and set it equal to 32. Some persons might be wondering, why is it that I have 17 minus X and 20 minus X? Now note that this X is a part of those students who does music. This X is also a part of the students who does art. But this area by itself right here, this area by itself right here is representing those students who only do music. So therefore, we have to take away those who do both from the total number of students who does music for us to get the students who only does music. And the same applies to the students who only does art. All right. I hope that's clear. So we're going to add everything. 17 minus X plus X plus 20 minus X. Are you guys still with me? Everybody still with me?
Yes, sir.
Nikosha, are you still there? Nikosha drop off? Nikosha gone. All right. So then, we're going to group the like terms. We have just learned that a while ago. So we have minus X plus X minus X again equal to what? 32. So 17 plus 20 is 37. Minus X plus X is 0. Then we have minus X by itself is equal to 32. So we ask ourselves a quick question. Okay, Javon, thank you very much. You learned something new today. Thank you, Javon. So 37 minus X is equal to 32. What number, when taken away from 37, or what number that you take away from 37 will give us 32? That's naturally X is equal to 37 minus 32, and X is therefore equal to 5. All right. Yes, I've skipped out a few steps. Okay, we said Simonique, so she's learning so much. Okay, Simonique, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Evani. All right, we give God thanks for that. That's why we have a devotion before we have classes. We start a class. Devotion is very important. We have to invite the presence of God in our session. All right, so we're going to our final question on this multiple choice paper. All right. And as I said before, you can re-watch the video. So you can write off these correct answers. And of course, those steps that I've taken to get the correct answers and write them in your notebooks. All right. Okay. So let's go on to number 8. Quick and fast. There goes that. Oh, so somebody tried the answer. Oh, you tried it. Lexi was really trying to get the 10 out of 10, Lexi. Wow, that's great, Lexi. You're really trying to get the 10 out of 10. Okay, wonderful. Okay, let's go now. So, item 8 refers to the following Venn diagram. Once again, you must analyze the diagrams that you are given. You must analyze the diagrams that you are given. So, this H represents what? Students who play hockey. This V represents, the set V represents students who play volleyball. And the entire box, the Venn diagram, which is a universal set, represents students who play games. So when you're in the exam, don't go in there with pressure. No, you can relax yourself by just simply analyzing. Use what you know first. Then you will be able to use what you know to find out what you don't know. That's the technique that you must use. Now, if we look at it, let's look at it. Use the art. Let's look at it. This 2 plus this 5 is 7. This 2 plus this 4 is 6. Okay, now the number on the outside, how could I forget about the number on the outside? The number on the outside is telling me that there are 3 students who does not even play hockey nor volleyball. So it is obviously that these 3 students are academic persons who just stick to the book. No extracurricular activity or anything. So those are the 3 persons, you know? All right. Now, so I've analyzed it now. So 5 persons only play hockey. 4 persons only play volleyball. 2 persons play both hockey and volleyball. However, 7 persons play hockey, 6 persons play volleyball, and 3 persons play none at all. All right, so we analyze it. The number of students in each set is indicated. Of course, we know that. So you see, once you analyze the Venn diagram, then there's no need to read this part of the sentence. So it's a time, what you call it now? A way of, making it faster. Let's get to the question. How many students do not play volleyball? Oh, do not play volleyball. Do not play volleyball. All right. I want someone to try to answer this question. Those in the YouTube chat or those person in Zoom. Do not play volleyball. How many persons do not play volleyball? What's the answer there? How many persons do not play volleyball? All right, so your answer coming from no, Lexi. No. Do not play volleyball. Try again. Do not play volleyball. This one I think come from January 2017. Do not play volleyball. Well, anybody want to try this answer? Anybody else? Anybody from YouTube? From YouTube, other persons do not play volleyball? Well, these 5 persons in hockey, they only play hockey, but they don't play volleyball. But these 3 persons don't play volleyball either. So it must be 5 plus 3. And therefore, the answer is 8. And the answer is D. So,
I think about that, but I never see it.
You thought about it? You could have almost got the 10 out of 10. All right. So that is that. That is that. How was class tonight? You know, we're in our evaluation mode. Giovanni is saying, sir, not really. Sir, remember that the universal set consists of persons who play games. So those three students don't play hockey or volleyball. So that means they play different sports. Okay, I agree with you, Giovanni. Giovanni, I agree with you, Giovanni. Okay, I agree with you, Giovanni. Very good. So 8 is the answer. It is the answer. Very good. So Giovanni got 8. All right, so how was class tonight? Who's going to go first? How was class tonight?
Class was fun.
Class was fun. Okay, Lexi, very good. You know, it was really fun, you know, because you jumped from here, then into the YouTube chat, campaigning for some votes. That was nice. That was nice. Okay. Who's next? How was class tonight? How was class tonight? Um, all right, Tangini, are you there? Tangini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How was class tonight, Tangini?
Sir was good.
Huh? I'm not hearing you.
Class was good.
Class was good. Okay. Kiwin, how was class tonight, Kiwin?
Class was very fun, I guess, except for the part where I could have win the credit because
Because what?
because you made it seemingly impossible.
No, no. Honestly, no. Honestly, what I actually didn't know was to choose questions as I normally
that
would do
that we
from.
didn't know.
No, I
And
just.
then and then after because you know this, you watch us suffer as per usual, and then you swoop in as the rescue you are and say, okay, I will show you how to do it, and you just make it seem so easy afterwards, sir. Yes,
But wasn't it easy afterwards?
because that's what you wanted us to think.
All right. Okay.
The class was
Um,
fun though. Class was fun.
it was fun.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
very
I
good.
enjoyed it tonight. I can't wait for the game.
The game. All right, the big game is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Giovanni says that it was enlightening and very educational, and it is not boring, which allows us as teens to learn. Thank you very much, Giovanni. Thank you, Giovanni. All right. So, and thank you guys. Tonight was the best night I can tell you because the first time ever so far we have gotten 9 likes. That's good. Excellent. All right.
For
So, I
the
want to
first
say,
time, I just want to add to that, sir. For the first time ever, you don't have to give away any credit, also.
well, let's hope that next week I can give away a credit because we have to give away a credit this month. Again, I have to give away a credit this month. We have to give away a credit
Credit
this
your
month.
next month.
Next month?
I'm by your mind on the credit.
No,
well,
Lexi, what you did was unfair, Lexi.
the highest credit I gave away actually was $200 credit. And that was to, I think it was Nick Kosha. I'm not sure who it was, but somebody it was for the HSB class. They got the highest um, answer, and Gabriel was blessed as well, and so forth. But before we end, though, I want to say a special thank you to those in YouTube. You have also made the session great. I want to say thank you to Giovanni. I want to say thank you to our friend from St. Vincent and Grenadine, that is young DK out. I want to say thanks to Gabriel. I want to say thanks to Simonique, which is Blessed Watson. I want to say thanks to Ajani Wilson. I want to say thanks to, hope I'm not missing out anyone. Lexi in the chat there again. I want to say thanks to Stacy as well. And I want to say thanks to you all. You have made tonight one of our best nights um, in our YouTube live stream. Now, before we end, I also want to let you know that on Thursday night, we'll be having our measurements class, but that class will not be streamed live. I'm going to show you where you need to go to get access to the class. I'm going to show you where you need to go to get access to this class. We are giving away 4 seats to the class, 4 or 5 seats. So let's see. So I'm going to show you now. So you click on, this is our website. You click on that link, or you can go, you want to click, when you click on the website link, you're going to go to programs, and then you click on live streaming class and more. You can click on that link, and then you're going to go to the upcoming events. So here's our maths class upcoming events. You click on the RSVP, and then you will order your tickets, and we have a limited amount of tickets. They are free, as you can see, $0. It is free. We're not charging for that night. So you click on, you order your tickets, and you click on checkout, and they will send you your tickets, and then they will send you the link. So you'll be able to click on the link to join us on our Zoom class for measurements on Thursday night. So we only stream maths on Wednesday night, but we continue with our Zoom sessions on Thursday night. HSB will be on Wednesday night, which will be streaming live, or HSB class live. And then, of course, we will also be having our second HSB class on Saturday night. But again, there will be a ticket for that class on Zoom. Now, our language class teacher is getting herself ready to live stream for her language class on Tuesday night. I'm not sure she'll be doing it tomorrow, but let's hope so. She has promised. And of course, if there's any new students, you can register students now to join us for our next leg of work. We'll be doing a marathon, all right, pretty soon. Doing a marathon pretty soon. We have 3 months left for exams, and it's very much possible right now to still register with CDPLABS Eduservices. If you want to know how to register with CDPLABS Eduservices, then you can send us a WhatsApp message to this number. It is 1-876-324-8441. And if you want to register, okay, I see Blessed Watson said it was very interactive and informative. I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much, Simonique. Thank you very much. But Simonique, where are you from? I don't remember if you tell me where you're from. Where are you from, Simonique? Where are you from? Simonique, where are you from? Just tell us where you're from, Simonique. Tell us where you're from. That is Blessed Watson. Tell us where you're from. All right. So students who still want to register can still register with us by going to our Facebook page. You can click on the sign up button, and you'll be able to register with us to join the Zoom class. When you register with us, what do you get? You'll get our assignments, you get our video tutorials that our students watch, and there are exams in it to do, tests, which is timed as well. So you're missing out on a lot if you are not a registered student. But of course, we definitely enjoyed your company tonight. It was really a wonderful night, and we enjoyed it to the max. All right. So thank you very much once again for making it CDPLABS Eduservices, and share the link. If you have not yet subscribed, please to subscribe. Well, no, Giovanni, we don't offer history nor IT, but the only way we'll offer, we used to offer IT, but if we offer IT, we'll have to get at least 4 students doing the IT. So if you want IT, you have to get 3 more students who will be interested, and then we'll offer IT. So we cannot offer IT unless there are students for it. All right. So that's it for tonight. Thank you very much for viewing CDPLABS Eduservices. I'm gonna ask you guys to stay online. Do not leave. We have some business to tidy up. All right. So we'll be leaving you guys on YouTube now. Saying once again, have a good night. Feliz noches. Happy night. Great night. Thank you very much. God bless you. Keep safe and don't forget to pray and give God thanks. So remember now, you can register with us at our Facebook